Hi there. Today I am going to show you how to create a ping in Illustrator for printing processes, maybe digital printing or offset printing as well. So here is the artwork. Its size is 120 by 60 mm. So in the upping process we will see these 4 points. First one is check artwork safe area, then overlapping or bleed area. Third one is create registration trim marks, and then fourth one is proceed for upping. So we will go step by step. First one is check artwork safe area. We call safe area within the artwork. This is our cutting line. We will create another line with the gap of 3 mm from cutting line. Select this box, go to object, path, offset path, and here we will give minus 3 mm offset. We'll create another box inside our artwork. Its outline color is, let's say, green. So this is our safe area. All our matter, text, image, whatever we use in the artwork will be within this line. The second one is overlapping or bleed area. So we call bleed area outside of our cutting lines. When this design will be cut, its finishing will be fine. Select artwork, go to object, path, and offset path. This time we will create outside of the artwork another box. So here we'll enter 3 mm offset and hit OK. This black line is our cutting line, and the area outside of this line is called bleed or overlapping. If we have another image or object, we have to overlap it also. So I will overlap this box like this. So now the third point is create registration trim marks. So what is mark and what is registration trim mark? Any kind of line if I draw here, this is called mark. Its color is cyan, magenta, yellow 0 and black 100. In registration mark we have a registration color option in our swatch panel. If we select this, then if we see preview, even we off the black, this mark will still appear. So if we have 6 color or 8 color job and we want these cutting marks on all plates, that's why we use these marks registration color. Okay, so now I am going to none the outline of these two boxes. Select the die line, go to object, create trim marks. In this way Illustrator will create trim marks. Just ungroup it, make the size of these marks 3 mm. The weight of your stroke should be 1 point. Copy and paste on place. Select this box, underline it on the right, go to edit, preferences, general, here specify 3 mm keyboard increment, and now with the right arrow key move these marks 3 mm right. Same will apply here, copy and paste in place, and align it with bottom of your artwork. With the down arrow key move this 3 mm down. So now our 3 steps are completed. We have checked artwork safe area, done overlapping, and we have also created registration trim marks. So now we will proceed for upping. I will make it up on right side and on bottom side. I will delete these marks for now, and I will select the complete artwork with this mark, and I will press enter. Here specify the size of your artwork. My artwork size was 120 mm, and with the 3 mm overlapping on both sides, its size is now 126 mm. And in the vertical I will put 0. The distance will automatically made with 120 mm. Click on copy. It will make a copy of your artwork. Press Ctrl D on Windows or Command D on Mac to repeat your recent action. So now I will copy and paste these marks on the right side also. I will select the complete artwork again, and I will press enter. On the horizontal side I will enter 0. On the vertical side my artwork size was 60 mm, and with the 3 mm overlapping on both sides its size is now 66 mm. So distance will be 66 mm. Automatically it will copy. You will have another copy of your artwork. Press Ctrl D on Windows or Command D on Mac to repeat your recent action. So now copy and paste in place these marks. Align it with the bottom of your artwork, and with the down arrow key move these cutting marks 3 mm down. So here is the complete ping file. There you go. I hope you will find this video helpful. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also share this video with your friends, designers. Thanks for watching.